We are at Intech 2026. This is the 21st edition of this exhibition in Coimbatore. I recently heard about that 1,000 machines sold, easy machines. And you are manufacturing three varieties of 3 lines of machines, I see.
First in India.
What is the kind of challenges which you face, or there was no challenge?
As you know, and we have met in 2023 July, we started manufacturing these machines. The models are VC, Z410, 510, 660. So these 3 models we started manufacturing. In last May, we completed 1,000 machines. That was a great milestone we achieved, and everybody is saying it was in a very shortest period of time that we achieved this milestone. The challenges right now is one and only: delivery. All my customers want machine very fast, but I have a capacity constraint, so I'm not able to make so many machines. But my customers are asking me machines quickly. They want within 4 weeks, 5 weeks, which I'm not able to cater to because the demand is huge. Everybody is liking the machine, and there are repeat orders for this particular machine. Surprisingly, the machine is going to all the industry, including automotive, aerospace, die and mold, plastic injection moldings. You name an industry and we are catering to, because the spindle, the ball screws, the capabilities, the rigidity and the strength of the machine is so great. So as you know, Mazak is a global brand. As we are a Japanese company, we have very strict parameters to manufacture a machine. We have more than 300 inspection points throughout manufacturing the machine. So they are very strict, and all our the production director, quality director, they're all Japanese. They do not allow any deviation ever, even a single micron, 1 micron deviation is not acceptable. So due to very strict parameters, we are having better quality parameters, better quality in terms of supply of machine, and that's one of the major most fee. Second, there is a requirement. There are so many customers, they wanted to buy Mazak machine, but because of the import cost was very high earlier, they could not get these machines. But now when we started manufacturing machines in India, they are fulfilling their dreams, and we are able to supply a lot of machines.
Is there any further expansion plan for Amazon?
Of course, yes. Now we are expanding our facility, and from present capability of 50 machine, we intend to go further. Yes, we are in the expansion phase right now.
Coming back to this particular exhibition, how important Intech for Mazak?
We started coming to Intech from last time, and we found many of our customers like the way we came over here, because this is an exhibition, it gives us exposure, and so many customers can come, meet, discuss with my application team, service team, and they feel a friendly behavior available over here. That's why we said, okay, let's go there again. And here, because we have a huge presence in valve industry, general engineering, heavy machinery, they all are coming over here, and we are having very good, fruitful discussions. We are finalizing machine, but more than finalizing machine, it's to meet the customers.